So y'all, this the puppies' first time walking around. Gamora first time seeing the puppies walk around freely, and you know what I'm saying? We done whelping, so they off moms, no more milk for them. Like we doing something different now. Yeah, roughhousing.
No,
Yes, let her do what she gonna do.
no bite.
Jerica, stop. Let her be a mama. Let them do what they gonna do. They still trying to get them titties, y'all. Trying to get that milk. It's over with for that milk. We done moved on to mush, y'all. It's over with for that.